Good morning children. Today we are going to see class 8 mathematics rational numbers. In previous class you know the definition of rational numbers, plotting of rational numbers on a number line, equivalent rational numbers and comparison of rational numbers. Now we are going to see how to find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Rogan have 3 boxes. First box contains natural numbers, second box contains integers and third box contains rational numbers. He takes out 2 natural numbers, 3 and 7. Can you tell how many natural numbers are there in between 3 and 7? There are 3 natural numbers between 3 and 7. The numbers are 4, 5 and 6. Now Rogan takes out 2 integers, -2 and 6 from the box of integers. Now can you guess how many integers are there in between -2 and 6? There are 7 integers between -2 and 6. There are -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we take out 2 rational numbers 4 by 10 and 9 by 10. Now can you guess the rational numbers between 4 by 10 and 9 by 10? Many of you might thinking that there are 4 rational numbers. 5 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10 and 8 by 10. Between 4 by 10 and 9 by 10. But there are other rational numbers also. If we write 4 by 10 as 40 by 100 and 9 by 10 as 90 by 100, then there will be more than 4 rational numbers between them. So, can we count the number of rational numbers between any two given rational numbers? No, we cannot count the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, as there are countless rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Let's study the various methods to find rational numbers between any two rational numbers. To find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers with different denominators like -2 by 3 and 4 by 5. First we have to find the LCM of denominators. 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. They have no common factors except 1. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. If we multiply the numerator and denominator of rational number -2 by 3 with an integer, so that the denominator becomes 15. By multiplying the numerator and denominator of -2 by 3 by 5, we get -10 by 15. Similarly, we have to multiply the rational number 4 by 5 by 3 to make the denominator 15. So, by multiplying 4 by 5 by 3, we get 12 by 15. Like this, we can find many rational numbers between -10 by 15 and 12 by 15. The number line represents the various rational numbers between the -10 by 15 and 12 by 15. Let's try to find out rational numbers between 5 by 8 and 5 by 6. To find LCM of 8 and 6. Write the number separated by comma. Like this, with these two lines, it's like an L shape. Next step, we write common factors on the left. We write the factors which is common to both the numbers. 2 is the factor common to both the numbers. So we write 2 here on the left. 2 times 4 is 8 and 2 times 3 is 6. 4 and 3 are co-prime numbers. They have no common factors except 1. LCM is equal to product of factors and numbers in the last line. LCM is equal to 2 times 4 times 3, that's equal to 24. So LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. Here, if we multiply the numerator and denominator of 5 by 8 by 3, we get 15 by 24. For the rational number 5 by 6, if we multiply the numerator and denominator by 4, we get 20 by 24. The rational numbers between 15 by 24 and 20 by 24 are 16 by 24, 17 by 24, 18 by 24 and 19 by 24. In the above problem, we have found only 4 rational numbers between 5 by 8 and 5 by 6. But there are countless rational numbers between 2 given rational numbers. So, there is another method in which we find the average of rational numbers. To find as many rational numbers as we want between the given rational numbers. Let's study about it. Find rational numbers between 2 given rational numbers, like between 5 by 16 and 3 by 8. We find the average of the rational numbers by adding the rational numbers and dividing by 2. We get 11 by 32. As average, this rational number is greater than 5 by 16 and less than 3 by 8. Now we can again find a rational number between 5 by 16 and 11 by 32 and between 11 by 32 and 3 by 8. These are 21 by 64 and 23 by 64. So we have seen that we can pick any 2 rational numbers and find the average of it to get the rational numbers between them. By this method, we can find as many rational numbers as we want between any 2 rational numbers. That summarizes what we have learned so far. There are countless rational numbers between any 2 given rational numbers. Common denominator method and average of rational number method used to find the rational numbers between 2 given rational numbers. If A and B are 2 rational numbers, then A plus B by 2 is a rational number between A and B, such that A less than A plus B by 2 less than B. Using this method, do the following.